Let's take a look at Allplan from the standpoint of an electrical engineer. Allplan is a BIM software. They build themselves as one of the leading BIM softwares for the AEC industry. Let's use the Electrical BIM Scorecard to see how they rank for our use as electrical engineers. Using the scorecard, the first question is, does engineering exist? So you go to their homepage and you can see, yeah, they do mention engineering. So that's good. Next is, does MEP exist? And on their current homepage, if you go to the solutions tab, it's not listed there. They've got the building design and it shows architecture and it shows structural engineering, but MEP isn't listed. So as their current homepage as listed would only give them a score of 1. However, if you dig a little bit deeper, you can find an MEP page. So if I Google for Allplan MEP, I'm able to get into an internal page that talks about their MEP design, and you go to the menu on that page and it does list MEP. So I'm not sure why it's been taken off the front page as of this recording, but it's not there. But if you dig down, you can find an MEP section. So that will give them a score of 2 because MEP does exist. Next question is, does electrical exist? And on this MEP page, they do call out electrical. So they at least acknowledge that electrical is a different discipline from MEP. Question 4 is, can you insert electrical devices? And if you can answer yes to this, then it can at least replace AutoCAD in your workflow as an electrical engineer. This one's a little bit tricky. It's not 100% clear if you can say yes or no to this question. If you dig down deep into some of the slides, you get into a single slide that's called electrics design, which is a little bit of an awkward phrasing that indicates that they don't really know what they're talking about on the electrical side. It mentions empty conduit routing and route planning and construction of the electrical base. There's a chance you could do some electrical design in here, but it doesn't look terribly promising. The next question is, can you insert a panel schedule? And I don't see any indication of panel schedules anywhere on their website. If you have to dig that hard to find it, it's probably not there. I would rate them a 3.5 or a 4 on the scale. It's really not clear whether you could actually do just a construction document laying out your receptacles and light fixtures based on their website. Maybe you could. I'm not really sure it's something that you should spend a whole lot of time looking into as an electrical engineer at this point.